Aryabhatta has invented zero. How come no one thought about it earlier? How did the kings from the Ramayana and Mahabharata keep count their armies and weapons and treasury without zero?
The question that you asked is one of my favorite questions. But we should first ask, did Aryabhatta discover zero? And when we look into history, we see that Aryabhatta was not the first person to talk about zero. In fact, the idea of zero has been in Indian tradition since many centuries, even before Aryabhatta. And Aryabhatta himself is in the 5th century, but we see that zero was already in use by the time of Aryabhatta. In fact, around 300 BCE, we see in a text called Chandas the appearance of zero for the first time. And that was not a text on mathematics, it was a text on poetry. And then you might wonder, okay, so if the discovery of zero happened during that time, then we have Mahabharata and Ramayana, which was written much earlier. And how did they count, such huge values, like you asked, on, of counting the army or counting money and so on? So we need to remember that to count, we don't need to know zero. We use zero to represent numbers in the form of digits like 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 1, 9, 2, 0 and so on. But if you remember, when we started counting at the age of maybe 2 or 3, we didn't know what digits were. We just started counting 1, 2, 3, 4. So when we count these, we don't need zero. We need zero when we have to represent these numbers. So ancient Indians, they did not have the place value system that we are using now, or at least there is no evidence that they were using decimal place value system back then. But they had a notion of zero and they had different ways of representing numbers. Many a times they were using words to represent numbers. So if I have to say 1 million, I don't have to write 1000, I don't have to write that. I can just write MILLION and still I would be representing 1 million. So it is very likely that people in the past during Ramayana and Mahabharata's times, they were using words to represent numbers and not numbers or digits to represent numbers.